part 54 of me filling my nail book. I'll be showing you guys how to do candy cane nails. This also includes 3D nail designs and sweater nail designs all in one, so I hope you guys enjoy. So the first part of this design is the French tip, so go ahead and put on whatever neutral base you want to do. I'm using kind of like a jelly pinkish color. I'm going to cure this for a full minute. I'm going to go ahead and top coat this base because everything after this is going to be matte, except the candy canes. I'm going to top coat those on their own, but this base is done. Cure this for a full minute as well. Take a long liner brush, and I want my French tip to be on the thicker side so I can see the sweater design and the candy cane over it. This horizontal line is basically how deep I want my French tip to go. I always go shorter than I imagine because I can always just, you know, add more up here. I'm not going for a huge smile line either, just a light curve. Then same thing on the other side. This long liner brush does like all the work for you. And to save yourself some time, just take that white polish on the brush to fill in the excess of the empty space. Cure this for a full minute. Moving on to the second part of this design, it's the sweater tutorial. So I'm gonna add the matte top coat only to the white part because the base color was already top coated, so it's already gonna be sealed in. Oh my gosh, that's weird. The white is like getting on it. This is a new bottle, so I'll probably only use it for white polishes, I guess. I am gonna take some of that matte top coat on the liner brush to get up to the edge, and I am gonna thin it out so it's not all lumpy. Make sure the matte top coat is covering all of the white before you pour the powder on, because if you didn't put the matte top coat on it, the acrylic powder would stick to the entire nail, and that's not what you want. So now I'm gonna cure this for a full minute. Now on that same long liner brush, take some white polish and do 2 parallel lines. I want my middle section to have a lot of space on it, so I am spacing out these lines. Just doing a rough outline right now, and I can thicken it up after. Make sure to give everything enough space. In between these 2 lines, I'm drawing another 2 lines. I'm not touching it on the outside, because if you do, it's gonna get blurred together when you put on the acrylic powder. So one last line, then connect the top one to the second one, and then so on, just like that. I'm gonna draw some more lines kind of going in, kind of like dots, I guess. Same thing on the other side, making sure not to make the lines touch. This is a perfect sweater design. Do not cure this and get your acrylic powder out. I'm using a clear acrylic powder, and you just want to dump it all over this nail like multiple times. Really want to like drench it so it can have that 3D effect. Okay, can tap it off. Do not touch this and put it right in the lamp for a full minute. So the nail is now fully cured, so we should have a top coated base and then a matte sweater French tip. So brush it all away, and that is exactly how it should look. So the sweater part is all done. Now moving on to part 3 of this design, which is the 3D candy cane. It's super easy to just roll it out like that. I think it'd be easier to just shape it up on your actual container and then flash cure it on here so you can kind of add it to the nail as a charm. So once you do have it to the shape you want, you can just cure this for about 20 seconds. I'm not gonna put this in my lamp because I'm kind of scared it's gonna cure my whole bottle, but doing this for like 20 seconds should do it. I am gonna touch up the candy cane just a little bit because I got some specks in it, and I'm just gonna leave the candy cane on here to paint on the stripes as well. Just trying to work smarter, not harder. And the stripes are pretty easy. Just wanna like twist them a little bit. I was doing the stripes down, but now I'm gonna start kind of moving them up to go around the curve. Now I'm gonna cure this for a full minute. The last step for this charm is to top coat the whole thing. Cure for a full minute, and since this is literally a charm, I'm gonna apply a little bit of rhinestone glue and then place it perfectly in the center. And then once you have that to your liking, you're gonna flash cure it in place and then do a full cure for 1 minute. Okay, you guys, this is the completed nail. I think it looks exactly like the inspo pic. I am definitely loving doing these winter holiday inspired nails. So please feel free to comment any other holiday designs you want to see me do in this full row.